Ever watched a football match and wondered why the referees suddenly stop play? What exactly is a foul? When do players get yellow or red cards? In the next few minutes, you'll learn the basic rules of soccer in the simplest way possible. Football, also known as soccer, is the world's most popular sport. Two teams of 11 players compete to score goals, but the game is governed by a set of rules that every fan should know. The goal is simple: score more goals than your opponent before the match ends. A standard match lasts 90 minutes, divided into two halves of 45 minutes each. A foul happens when a player breaks the rules. Common fouls include pushing, tripping, holding an opponent, or making a dangerous tackle. When a foul occurs, the referee awards a free kick to the opposing team. A yellow card is a warning. Players receive yellow cards for unsporting behavior, wasting time, repeated fouls, or arguing with the referee. Two yellow cards in the same match result in a red card. A red card means immediate dismissal from the match. Serious fouls, violent conduct, or denying a clear goal-scoring opportunity can result in a red card. The team must continue with one player less. Offside is one of football's most confusing rules. Simply put, an attacking player cannot be closer to the opponent's goal than both the ball and the second-last defender when receiving a pass. Minor fouls usually lead to free kicks. But if a foul occurs inside the penalty area, the attacking team gets a penalty kick, one of the best chances to score in football. Now you know the basics of football: fouls, yellow cards, red cards, offside, and penalties. The next time you watch a match, you'll understand exactly what's happening on the pitch. Subscribe for more football guides and World Cup content.